Chinese girls have been exposed to dance the most since they were young. As they grow up, many people will not continue to dance. Today's master, dancing has become her career, from hobby to career, which makes her very positive and optimistic in her work. Her name is Wang Ruiying. Every day, Wang Ruiying feeds the two cats in the morning. After greeting them, Wang Ruiying is ready to go out. Wang Ruiying, who lives alone, is accompanied by two cute kittens every day. This may be an indispensable part of her life. After taking care of the two kittens, Wang Ruiying started her day's work. Wang Ruiying's car is a 2014 Changan CS75. This car has been with her for 5 years, and the CS75 has performed very well in these 5 years. Wang Ruiying came to her place of work and changed into work clothes. Her job today is to dance the opening dance in the aquarium, and she likes her current job very much. We can also see from her performance that this is a joy from the heart. After the performance, it was already in the afternoon. At this time, Wang Ruiying took us to eat in the cafeteria where she worked. At present, there are not many people in the cafeteria, because after the performance, it is already 1300 hours in the afternoon. The working meal is very simple, but they are also very happy to eat. Replenish energy to prepare for the afternoon program. After lunch, the afternoon performance will begin at 1400 hours in the afternoon. The performance in the afternoon was outdoors, and the temperature in summer in Chongqing was very hot. She couldn't see the slightest exhaustion from her expression, and she had to admire the girl.